Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to turn myself into an ABG. For those of you who don't know what an ABG is, it stands for Asian Baby Girl. I actually Googled it and the first definition that came up was ABG is an acronym for Asian Baby Girl, meaning Asian Female Gangster. ABGs like to hang with gangsters, wear thin clothing. ABGs are also known for dyeing their hair a lot. They have many piercings, multiple on ears, stomach, and lip. They probably have teased hair, bangs, and have had hair extensions at one point or another. Now, I've been seeing a few of these transformation type videos floating around on YouTube. I think the first one I saw was from Michelle Choi, and to be honest, she looked pretty hot after. And so I thought I would join the bandwagon and turn this lockdown stay-at-home Tina into an ABG. Now, after doing a little bit of research, I've made some notes on certain things, like elements to achieve the ABG look, which involves long coffin nails, check. If you guys haven't seen the video where I tried Wish Polygel, I did this set of nails, and so check, I have long coffin nails. I'm gonna need contact lenses. In regards to makeup, I'll need to draw strong brows, a smoky eye makeup look with like a winged out liner, long lashes, tattoos. I don't actually have any, but we'll grab some temporary ones. Piercings, dyed hair, usually like ombre or balayage. I've got that, check. And tight clothing with exposed skin. Alrighty, so those are the key elements to this look. Let's just get into it. Now, before I get started with the transformation, I do want to mention that I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video. I'm going to be giving away one of each color of my Millie Multi-Wear bags by Mark and Scribe. If you guys didn't know, I co-founded a bag and accessory brand, Mark and Scribe, and so we have these newer Millie bags with the croc skin finish in 3 different colors. These bags can be worn in multiple ways, and I'll explain more about it at the end of this video when I go through the giveaway details. So make sure you stay until the end. Alrighty, so let's get started. First, I'm going to apply some moisturizer. This is the Neogen Joan Day and Night Cream. It's pretty handy because the day and night cream is just in one product. It's just separated like that. So I'm just gonna pop some of this on. This moisturizer actually helps to reduce redness. And so that's why I've been using it. I've been getting all these like red marks around my cheeks here, and I always have redness around my nostrils. So that's why I've been using this. Then I'm gonna prime my face with the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. Just gonna dot some everywhere and just press that into my skin with a sponge, or you can use your fingers. I did my nails the other day and they're super long, and so I feel like I'm still getting used to it. I'm just trying not to poke myself in the eye. For foundation, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I feel like years ago I was probably an ABG, just minus some of the elements like tattoos and piercings. But yeah, like once upon a time, I probably did my makeup and dressed more like an ABG in my younger days. Comment below if you've gone through that phase. By the way, this shade is NC18. And back then, this would be my go-to foundation. Like, I love this Studio Fix foundation because it's like matte, it's high coverage. And back then I had more like oily skin. And so this worked wonders, especially for clubbing. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Again, this is one of my favorite concealers. I'm just going to apply more than I would usually. Use this to sort of highlight, and then after I'm going to go in and contour as well. So we're doing thick-ish makeup today. I have not applied this much concealer in a while. I'm kind of like cut down on my layers when it comes to my base. I try to keep it more thin and natural. But when I was younger, I definitely packed it on. For contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Butter Biscuit Cream Contour. Actually, this is Cream Bronzer, sorry. And we are not going to hold out on the contour. We're gonna kick it old school and really like map out the face. And then I'll just quickly blend that all out. I'm gonna set everything with the By Terry CC powder. This color is Apricot Glow. So this gives my skin a nice glow, but it's not like super glittery or shiny. It's just very subtle. Just helps to brighten up everything. And it smells really good too. I probably shouldn't be sniffing in those particles. You can go in and bake if you want, but I am like super dry these days, so have not been baking, especially under my eyes. I totally forgot I should put contact lenses in. Wait, let me wash my hands. For contact lenses, I'm going to be popping in the Russian Silver lenses from Olens, my favorite brand of contact lenses, though I don't know how I'm going to put them on with these nails. Thankfully, I have these like little tweezer thingies. You guys can see the color change here. I look kind of scary. I made Alfred put in color contact lenses the other day and he said he looked like he had cataracts. Next, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie pencil. So for my brows, I am going to make them more arched and stronger than normal. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Naked palette. This is the Urban Decay Heat palette. I'm going to be going into Sauce, and I'm going to do like a smoky brown shadow, and then pair it with like a winged out liner. So let's just smoke this baby up. Then I'm going to go into Low Blow and just build up the intensity. And then I'm going to go into Cayenne to just further deepen it up and add some more dimension and smokiness. With whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line and just connect it up. Alrighty, so that's my eyeshadows done. I just kept it all like matte shades. I'm not going to do any highlight because we're going to go in with a winged out liner, quite like dramatic, and then pop on some long lashes. I'm going to be using a black liner from Wake Make. Just going to map out the wing first and then fill in this little area. And then line the rest of my eye, staying really close to my lash line. I'm going to leave my liner as this for now, but I might extend it after I apply my lashes, so we shall see. For lashes, I'm using a faux mink pair. This is Goddess from my brand Petite Cosmetics. These are quite long and dramatic, so it's definitely going to help open up my eyes and make them bigger. So this is what Goddess looks like on. If you guys are new to wearing lashes, I do have a video to help you choose the perfect pair. So I'll link it below if you guys haven't checked it out. Now that I have both lashes on, I'm just going to like line underneath and fill in any gaps, especially in this inner corner here. And I might extend my ends just a tiny bit. I'm going to go back into my Naked palette and use Ashes, like a deep brown, and I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line. You know what, guys, this is probably close to how I used to do my clubbing makeup years ago when I used to go clubbing. It's definitely bringing back some memories. I'm gonna curl my lower lashes. I know it looks really scary, but when I put mascara on after, it makes my lashes look so much longer. I'm gonna load my lashes up with this Holika Holika mascara. And I'm just gonna blend my natural lashes with the falsies. My eyes are done now. They're looking pretty dramatic, very different to how I do my eye makeup nowadays. But yeah, it's definitely a blast to the past. Now time for blush. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Pillow Talk blush. It also has a little highlight shade in the center, so I'm gonna use that as well. I'm gonna pop some of that highlight in the inner corner. For lips, I'm using my favorite lip liner, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. I'm gonna overdraw my lip a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna pop on the Pillow Talk lip gloss. Alrighty, so I think I'm done with my makeup. For the rest of the transformation, I'm still gonna need to do my hair, get out of my PJs, and slap some gangster tattoos on. I think I'm going to curl my hair, and I'll probably part it in the center, but I'm just gonna quickly spray like a heat protecting spray. I got this one in Korea, and the brand is called Mellow Touch. This thing smells so good, so I'm just gonna spritz that on. And I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. Ugh, I totally need my roots done. I'm just gonna be using my Babyliss Pro curler. I don't know the size of this. I've had this for like years and years, probably like 9 years. I'm just gonna speed through this part. Okay, so I've curled my hair. I'm just gonna quickly get changed. I gotta find something tight and maybe like a boob tube thing. I'll be right back. I found an appropriate top to wear, and now it's time to get tattooed up. I got these tattoos ages ago on Yestar, I believe, so I have like a couple of designs. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. I have a couple of designs here. There's like this big piece that I think would go nicely on my arm. And then I have some other ones. I don't know which one I'll use. Maybe I'll use like these two. Now, obviously for this part, I think it would be a lot easier if I had some help. So I have Alfred here. Hello. Can you help me put these on? Do you think I should put this one on my arm? Is that pretty gangster?
Yeah.
Or what about these one? This one? It's a bit smaller.
I think the bigger one.
The bigger one? I thought so. Oh my god, this is gonna be like a pain to get off because I'm quite hairy, so if I rub this off, it's gonna definitely pull out some hairs. Do you like my makeup?
It's very different.
Does
Yeah.
it remind you of when like the first time I met you?
Is that what you're saying you look like when I first met you?
If you guys didn't know, Alfred and I met at a club, so I feel like my makeup was probably on par with this, like this type of like intensity. And I probably had my hair like this too, so.
Okay, hold on.
So is this what you fell in love with? This ABG look?
Yes.
I mean, minus the tattoos and piercings, but.
I secretly have a thing for ABGs, I guess.
You're doing a really good job there, tattoo artist.
I'm a fake tattoo artist.
What if I actually got a tattoo like this? How would you feel?
How would my mum feel?
Oh, mum, if you're watching this, I would never do that. Alfred's mum would be like, no, your mum would like it.
Yeah, you can do no wrong.
No, your mum always likes certain things, and she was so chill about your brothers, so. Time for the big reveal. Please work.
You even got the serial number or something. Yeah.
Why did you wet that part? I have the whole like serial number. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have another. Should I stick some more?
Two?
What? Are we gonna go all out?
Okay, that should be in your chest then.
This one should be on my chest. What do you mean?
Below the boob.
Below, you're not gonna even see that area. We're gonna pop a couple of these on my collarbone.
Damn.
Well, it's on, so. I think that is it. I think this is the look complete, guys. Oh my gosh. Who am I? Who am I? So this is the end transformation. Do I look like an ABG? I definitely feel badass with this tattoo and my intense makeup paired with like contact lenses. Definitely very different to how I normally wear my makeup. Nowadays, I feel like I'm more drawn to like the natural sort of like Korean inspired look, whereas this one is quite intense. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of digging it. I feel like a completely different person because I look like a different person. I'm definitely gonna have fun and take some photos and lots of selfies for Instagram later. And so I feel a little bit outside my comfort zone with this. But you know what? I do feel badass. Like I could totally like beat someone up. No, I can't. I can just beat eggs. Anyways, for those of you who stuck around to the end of this video, I'm going to announce the giveaway details. And so like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'll be giving away 3 Millie multi-wear bags, 1 in each color. Each winner will be able to choose any letter charm they want. And now what's really cool about this bag is that you can wear it multiple ways. So you can keep it as like a wallet. It has slots where you can store the cards, and you can fit like a large iPhone in here. At the back, you can remove this part and use it just as a card holder. And at the back of the bag, there's a belt loop. So you can pop on this belt that comes with the bag, and you can wear it as a waist bag. It also comes with a wristlet, so you can turn this bag into a clutch. Or if you prefer, you can use the shoulder strap. You can wear it short or long, like so. Now, if you guys want to win one of the Millie multi-wear bags, all you need to do is follow Mark and Scribe on Instagram, find this photo and comment to let me know which color Millie is your favorite. Do you like the red, white or black? It's that simple, and I'll be sure to leave all the giveaway details below. It's open worldwide, so make sure you don't miss out. Also, you can get 15% off Mark and Scribe store-wide by using my code TINNIES15. Anyways, that is it to this transformation video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel to join the Tinnies family, and remember to turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. And yeah, that is it for me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! How am I going to remove this without ripping my hair off? I should take some photos and show my mum.